Okay, right now, I basically want to show, you see the 100 tooth Roto head ratchet, and you see I have a low profile oil filter housing socket on here. I want to show basically where this ratchet shines the most. You see right there is the housing. Now normally you will be able to get a flex head in, but depending upon the length you may not have the proper leverage. Even if you use a more smaller 3/8 non-flex head or non-locking and a normal standard handle, you will be able to get in there, but depending upon how tight the housing possibly could be, you may not possibly have the leverage. So this 100 tool gives you the leverage. Okay. So let me see if I can get this in there. Let's see. Okay. And with that 100 tooth design, it really helps. And as you can see, I have the leverage, which is all the way out here. Okay. Another thing that I wanted to point out about that is that if you see that container right there, when breaking it free, when ratcheting and releasing and letting it loose, you can only loosen it but so much to just break it free, because you don't have the clearance to get the ratchet and the socket out. So basically, as you can see, that's when I go to this little small quarter-inch breaker bar with adapter with the oil filter socket to remove the rest of the housing. Okay, so now as you can see, I have the housing removed, waiting for the filter, so basically I can replace that real quick.